Leaders, please note that the system is very slow now. So when you get your link, this is what you will do. You click on here, it's wallet, discover, then DApps or browser. You click there under DApps, then you take your Upliner's link. You copy it. Don't even try to type it. Copy it, then go back to your Trust Wallet under DApps. Here where it's recent search. You paste your link, and then you click on search. Then it will take you to the registration page. It's very slow, like very slow. Then once it opens, you need to click on sign up. Then you connect your wallet to Trust Wallet, and then after that you will be in. Just that I can't do it because the system is very slow. Yes, here you will choose sign up now. Make sure that here at the top is your Upliner's code. Your Upliner's code, you can see it here at their link at the end. You see mine is DYMZ. So you can compare it with this one. Then you click on sign up now. You connect to Trust Wallet. If you are using Trust Wallet, MetaMask, you connect with that. Then you click there. Okay, now we logged in. The next step is to buy levels, is to activate levels. This account is registered. It's very slow.